Yo, what's going on? Rico here. It's my birthday, May 31st. 2020 took me forever to get up and decide I wanted to do something. So y'all know how I do it anyway. I cook late night, but I wasn't really trying to do this. But for those of you who don't know, I went to Mexico, learned how to make some guacamole. Somebody show y'all how to do it. You know what? I should have just done a Facebook Live. I don't know. But anyway, I'd rather do this just in case I mess up, I can start over. Anyway, so I went to the farmer's market, got my, I don't know what you call this, but this is what they was using in Mexico to make the guacamole in. Pretty sure y'all know the name of it. So anyway, you're going to need some cilantro, some fresh cilantro, onions, tomatoes, 1 avocado, and some lime. So we start with the avocado first. Put that in there. All right. And then we take the some lime, fresh lime. And I went to the farmer's market, and I actually these products are from Mexico because I had a good experience with that. So you're gonna squeeze your lime juice in there. Squeeze as much as you can out of there. Oh boy, it's tough. Alright. We're gonna do a whole lime. I think we only did like 2, but we're gonna do a whole one for the flavor. One more. Alright. After you get the lime, you take your stirring thingy and mash it up. So when we was in Mexico, we actually used another thing that was a little easier, but we're gonna make this work. It's definitely squishy. I'll get back in there. So they use the thing that they use to do the what you call it with the make martinis, margaritas with. So I'm trying to do this. I got some stuff on the grill, some chicken on the grill, but I'm watching it though. It's at a good temperature. This mashes up though better, way better than the little thing we had. My son never had guacamole, I don't think. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the only way that I'm gonna eat guacamole again probably is if it's fresh and I did it. Cause this stuff is actually good. Woo-wee! Hey, this one work though. Jeez. Mash it up real good. Still a couple of pieces in there that we need to mash up. Jesus Christ. It's making my arm tired. We got it going pretty good. Alright. And then you wanna add a little salt. I probably used a little too much lime, but that's okay. So just a little salt, not much. I'm using sea salt. You can use regular salt if you want to, it don't matter. I call myself trying to be a little healthier, more healthy. So we're gonna have to probably pause this video right quick and go check on the chicken. You see the pause? Alright, so back with you.
Shirt dirty.
My shirt dirty. My son hit the stop button instead of record. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is you're gonna add all the rest of your ingredients. As a matter of fact, to give it they said to give it a little spice, a little kick, add a little garlic powder or garlic salt. So we're gonna do a little garlic salt, not too much. Okay. Let's stir that up right quick. The rest of the ingredients. Now, I'm a bit. So we got the cilantro, onions, and the tomatoes. Alright, and then we stir all of this up. This bowl too small. You gotta make sure you get it good and mashed up. Hardest part is the grind. This is real work, y'all. And I don't even know if I'm holding this thing right or not.
Look like it. I said look like it.
You can't hold it again. Just in case you guys wondering where I got this bowl from and the grinding stone, got it from the farmer's market, so you should be able to get it any of your local farmer's market. Or my favorite place, Amazon. Alright, so it's about all the grinding. Jeez. About all the grinding I am, prepared to do. It's just, there's a little more. Alright, now, time for the taste test. Now, I'm not a guacamole eater. But I'm telling you, when I did it in Mexico, it was really good. So let's see what happens here. It doesn't taste as good as in Mexico, because of course, I guess, it tastes about the same really, because these products are from Mexico. All natural. It's the way to go, y'all. Now my son never had it. Now let's see what he does. It's an acquired taste. Guacamole is just not good, huh?
No, it's good.
But
No,
it's just an acquired taste, huh?
it's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
See, he never had the guacamole before. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I don't really like guacamole like that, but I can actually stand this. It's actually good. But anyway, that's how you make guacamole. Peace.